Okay, question 3, we have a sector. So the sector is a sector of a circle with radius r centimeters, center O, and the angle is theta radians. So, we are told the area of the sector AOB is 11 centimeters squared, and we are told that given that the perimeter of the sector is 4 times the length of the arc AB, find the exact value of R. Okay, so first up, we know that the area of the sector is 11 centimeters squared. Now the formula for area of a sector is r squared theta over 2. So first up, from the area, we can say that r squared theta over 2 is equal to 11. From that, we can get that r squared theta is equal to 22. Now what we need to try and do is get another equation or formula involving r and theta. So what we also need to do is work out an expression for the arc length. So AB, the arc length, remember the formula for that is just r theta. Now the question tells us that the perimeter of the sector is 4 times the length of the arc. Now the perimeter is 2 lots of the radius add the arc. Now we know that that is 4 times the arc. So 2r add r theta is 4 times the arc length. So 4r theta. Now we can get that 2r then is 3r theta, and then we can even divide through by r and get that 2 is equal to 3 theta. So from that we can get that theta is 2/3. So now that we know what theta is, we can put that in here. So we know that r squared times 2/3 is equal to 22. So from that we can get that r squared over 3 is equal to 11 by dividing through by 2. So r squared is equal to 33. So r is root 33. Cool.